Kidneys' powerful functions and diseases. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, located just below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. They are a special filter system of your body. A kidney is composed of tiny units called nephrons. Nephrons consist of glomeruli and tubules. Glomeruli are small blood vessels that filter waste and excess fluids. Tubules collect the waste to form urine. The major function of the kidney is to remove waste products and excess fluids from the body through urine. This process is necessary to maintain a stable balance of body chemicals, and also to maintain the regulation of salt, sodium, potassium, calcium, and acid in the body. The kidneys also produce hormones that affect blood and bones. Some hormones stimulate red blood cell production, and other hormones help regulate blood pressure and control calcium metabolism. The kidneys have great powerful functions. They are: remove waste products from the body, regulate the amount of fluid within the body, remove drugs from the body, produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, help maintain acid-base balance, control the production of red blood cells, produce an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong, healthy bones, regulate electrolytes, salt concentration. The lack of awareness among the general public of nephrology is aggravated because of the deficient familiarity with kidney health and disease. Kidney disease usually affects both kidneys. If the kidney's ability to filter the blood is seriously damaged by disease, waste and excess fluid may build up in the body. There are many causes of chronic kidney disease. The most common types and cause of kidney damage are diabetes and high blood pressure, hypertension. The kidneys may be affected by diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Diabetes results in a high blood sugar level and causes problems in many parts of your body. High blood pressure is another common cause of kidney disease and another complication such as heart attacks and strokes. Glomerulonephritis may happen suddenly. It's a disease that causes inflammation of the kidney's tiny filtering units called glomeruli. After strep throat, the individual may get well again. However, the disease may develop slowly over several years and it may cause progressive loss of kidney function. Urinary tract infection occur when germs enter the urinary tract and cause pain and/or burning during urination and more frequent need to urinate. These infections most often affect the bladder, but they sometimes spread to the kidneys and they may cause fever and pain in your back. Kidney stones. They may cause severe pain in your back and side. There are many possible causes of kidney stones, including an inherited disorder that causes too much calcium to be absorbed from foods and urinary tract infections or obstructions. Drugs and toxins like using large numbers of over-the-counter pain relievers for a long time may cause kidney problems. Certain other medications, toxins, pesticides, and street drugs such as heroin and crack can also cause kidney damage. Polycystic. Some kidney conditions are inherited. The most common inherited kidney disease is polycystic. Cysts enlarge over time and may cause serious kidney damage and even kidney failure. Other inherited diseases are Alport syndrome, primary hyperoxaluria, and cystinuria. Congenital disease. Congenital is that individuals may be born with, may also affect the kidneys. One of the most common occurs when a valve-like mechanism between the bladder and ureter, urine tube, fails to work properly and allows urine to back up influx to the kidneys, causing infections and possible kidney damage.